What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Domestic Imports. My name's Preston, as always, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I've done to the Subaru so far and some info on what's happened in the past. So buckle in and hold on, because here we go. So what I did on the Legacy for right now is I pretty much just went ahead and just finished everything on it. I felt like taking the video on it was gonna be too much of a hassle to do. Pretty much this is where I'm at right now. I got pretty much everything done except for the evap purge solenoid thing, which I just need to connect 2 wires to, and then I'll be good. And also headlights and shit like that, but that's down the road. But it's all there, everything's done. I figured out where that black tube went that was in the last video, which is right here. So it actually goes into the water pump, which is down there, and then it goes through underneath the intake and into that hose, which goes into the heater core, which makes sense because it's the same length and all that. I don't know why I didn't know that, but I ended up having to take the whole intake back off and putting that in there. So yeah, I got that all done. I got the bumper and headlights and grill back on. It just needs a really good wash right now because that's caked on there. Whew. But right now I'm waiting on oil, antifreeze, and power steering fluid, as you can see, because it accidentally leaked out. So I'm waiting on that, but she's pretty much done. Gonna have a video of it starting. I'll probably be putting oil, antifreeze, and power steering fluid in one video and then trying to start it that same video. So that's probably going to be my next video, but until then, it's just going to be sitting here until I can get it, which money's sort of tight right now. I did end up losing my job at the car wash, so I'm a little sad about that, but it's okay. Gives me a little chance to work on these videos and do some special editing, just to test out my skills, and at the same time I'm looking for a job that I would actually like, instead of something that is, how should I put this? Well, anyways, I just didn't like it because of the people there, but that's neither here nor there. But yeah, so I'm working on that, maybe getting unemployment soon, I don't know yet. But I'll let you guys know whenever I figure it out. You probably seen the white Forester that was probably behind me. That's supposed to be the car that I was supposed to surprise you guys with, but never did. But I'll make another video on it once I get it actually on the road. But so here it is. This is Ubu. Now the reason why I did this, the Ubu, is because that's its name. It actually picked its name out, which is ironic because like these 3 badges that were on here actually stayed on, while these 3 broke off or came off because of the sticker, or the glue on it, the adhesive, and so did everything else but the Ubu. So she picked out her own name. I didn't have to, but it's an 04 Forester XT with the 2.5 liter turbo. It has full leather seats. I don't have my keys on me, and like I said, I'll make a much better video of this. It does have a 10.1 inch head unit touchscreen. That's like an Android head unit, so I'm able to do a lot of things with that. I have to get new headlights because they were shot. That one seems to be looking good that I did to it. It sort of looks brand new, but it's really not. This one, on the other hand, is just shit. I tried fixing it and ended up scraping the paint, which, I mean, I can paint that later. Hi there, little guy. Say hi.
Hi.
But I can fix that later. It has full LED, high beam, low beams, and even the yellow fog lights down here in the bottom. And also, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but 7-inch round LED headlights that are hooked into the fog lights. Right now, the reason why it's not able to be on the road is because of this crack right through here. Don't know if you guys can see it or not. Yeah, but that won't let me have a inspection sticker. So what you know, it does have a moonroof. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I love that moonroof. It's at night, it's amazing. Yeah, it has about 143,000 miles on it, I think. And I mean, it is an automatic. I wasn't looking for an automatic, but ended up getting that. The funny thing is that I didn't want an automatic, didn't want leather seats, and I didn't want white. And that's the 3 that I got. But I got it for a really good deal. So I'm paying, I think, $7,000 for it. And it had a little hiccups at the beginning, but for now it seems to be doing good. So fingers crossed everything works out with that car, and I can get it on the road. And now the Honda, she hasn't moved in, gosh, since maybe 17, 18. So what I found out with her is I found a short to ground inside the either the fuel injectors, pretty much the engine harness. And what that's allowing it to do is it's not allowing it to send signal to the injectors themselves, the spark plugs, none of that. So like, it'll crank over, but it won't do nothing. So I got to figure out that. And also with the P28 that I got with it, it has a different fuel table than the F series, H series. So what I'm going to do is I'm currently putting a Honda onto that P28, and I'm going to be putting the H23, H22, what you call it, the map for it. I'm going to put that on there, and then hopefully I can get this thing running. But for right now, I'm actually planning on moving here soon. I don't know when exactly. It's just whenever I get money to get that thing on the road, the Legacy fixed, and move all my stuff out. So I don't know when it will be, but it will be soon. Well, soon, in like 2-3 months maybe ish. Hopefully I could do that, and then I'll be taking this car, which I'm gonna be taking her to the new house, and I'm gonna be continuing to work on her until I get, I mean, not until I get, but I don't know, I'm tired. It's been a long day. I've been dealing with unemployment shit and all that. But the Honda's going over to the house with us. The Legacy, or that thing, the Forester, is going with us, because that's going to be my new daily driver instead of the Miata. Love the Miata, sucks on gas. And then this thing, I'm hopefully going to get it running soon, like 2-3 weeks from now maybe. Don't hold me to that, but whenever I get some more money in to put in here. Oh, I also need to put the gas pedal on. That's a different story, but yeah, I need to do that. But I'm keeping a Miata, keeping this thing, and taking that over to the new house. But my goal is to get this running first. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on it. Hopefully I can start doing a little bit more videos than what I have neglected with you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I got updated. So comment down below something random, just anything random. I don't care. I mean, you could say I don't know. You could say I don't know and put that down there. Comment down below and then hit that like button, because you know, I'd rather be doing this than most jobs, you know, because like dealing with cars, you guys, come on. Like, I love these cars. I want to, you know, do more. I eventually want to get an American car, because it's just been Japanese, 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 Japanese. The BRZ was Japanese. I may do a couple. I talked to a couple buddies of mine and see if I can interview them with their cars and all that. So that's on down the road. I know I got one American that I could possibly do, or two from her, and then a German from one of my buddies. So yeah, so that's on down the road. That's one of my future videos. But speaking of future videos, I think the next one is going to be putting the fluids into the Legacy and then starting her up. And if that goes all smooth, then I'll be able to drive it once I get tags and inspection. But you know, that's beside the point. Yeah, if you guys could hit that like button. I know you guys have been missing out on the like button and the subscribe button too. Especially the BRZ video. That video had like 985 views, which I'm so grateful for, but only had like 2 or 3 likes and nobody subscribed from that. Maybe 1 or 2 people, but I need you guys to start subscribing. You guys been slacking, okay? So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.